is the end results of this broccoli and rice and cheese on the stove top. We're having eggs in it, milk. Just the way you might not want to eat the milk or the eggs, you can eat this. This is Sarah. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel and getting this wonderful recipe. This is fabulous, y'all. Look at that. Oh, it's delicious, and it's not mushy. It's flaky and delicious. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Broccoli casserole, move to the side and just try this. Now, if you want to put chicken with this, you shred the chicken after you cook it. After you get through like this, have it served, you shred the chicken on top of that. And then you have broccoli and cheddar and cheese and chicken. Mmm, this is delicious, y'all. This time I'm going to tell you happy eating. And make sure you get some of that good ragu cheese so it won't be greasy. And some good cheddar cheese is in a block. It won't be greasy. It'll be just right like this. This is Sandra. I'm going to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is a side dish. It is broccoli, rice, and cheese. Yes, indeed. On the stove top. Yes, it is. You don't have to bake it. You can put it on the stove top and make this wonderful side. Yes, indeed. I would like to say on this recipe, it's famous all over the world. People love broccoli and rice and cheese. Yes, indeed. You can make it any way you like, any way you want, any ingredients. You put chicken, beef, whatever you desire. But what we're going to do is just make a plain. So what we got right here is we sauteing onions in butter, just like this, getting them soft and nice and pliable. It smells so good. Now you can add garlic to it, but I'm not going to add garlic to this. You add pepperoncino to it. I'm not going to add pepperoncino to it. I'm just going to do a light, really side dish that goes with potatoes. Instead of potatoes, excuse me, you can have it with a steak, baked chicken, or even lamb, whatever you want. So what I'm doing now is just sauteing, like I said, they're almost ready to add something else. Yes. So what we're going to do now is going to add some broccoli. And the broccoli is already steamed. I steam the broccoli in the microwave. I have a video for how you can steam broccoli, and I do it in the microwave. We'll be right back, okay? All right, what we're going to get ready to do is add our rice. The onions is already cooked. We're going to add our rice just like this. You want flaky rice. You don't want rice that's what you call lumpy and bumpy. You want rice that's flaky. I can't even say it, flaky. You want rice to be flaky. And you're gonna mix all the onions up into the rice, just like this. Stirring it very careful. Smells good, y'all. And we're gonna add some sour cream. Add the sour cream into this dish. Got it down low. We don't want it high. Add sour cream to it, just like this. A little sour cream won't hurt it. Oh, the sour cream just gives it a good tartness, you know, make it taste so good. So we're going to stir all that in together. Now, you don't have to put milk or eggs in this if you don't want. You're doing the sour cream, so that is pretty good right there. So we're going to mash it all up in there just like this. Get it all blended. Smell good already, y'all. Already smell good. This broccoli casserole, I guess people call it, but I call it a broccoli and rice dish. You know, you call it what you want, long as it's good. Okay, we're gonna add our ragu cheddar cheese. I love this cheese. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just like this, we're gonna blend it all together. It's on low, and we're gonna put a little water in it now. A little water and shake it up a little bit. And we'll pour it in there like that. Depends on how cheesy you want it and how much rice you want in it. Oh, just made a mess. I always do that. Now I think I'm going to put a little bit more rice in it. Just a little bit more rice. Smelling good already. Stir it all, blend it. Just like this. Look at that cheese and that rice. Oh, I gotta put some salt in it, y'all. A little salt. Now you can put white pepper in it if you like. I'm gonna let this simmer for a minute or two. The onions in there and everything's in there. Look at that. Everything is incorporated, and we'll be right back. All right, at this point, we're gonna add our broccoli. We have our rice and cheese all blended together. Now you can add milk in here if you want, or you can add some cream of chicken soup if you like, but I'm not going to add none to this. We're just going to do it like that. We're going to add the broccoli just like this. Broccoli's already cooked. And we're going to add it, blend it in just like that. Blend the broccoli in. This. And as it gets blended in, we're going to add, now you can put as much broccoli as you want, and I'm just putting a little, and you can add Parmesan cheese like that, and you're going to add some more shredded cheese on this just like that, and let it just sit and let it melt, and that's all you do. See this right here? This is cheesy, y'all. This right here is cheesy. So we're going to let this sit, and we're going to let it melt into the rice, and we'll be right back, okay? All right, as you can see, our cheddar cheese is melted on top, and it is fabulous, y'all. It's ready to serve, easy and quick, ready to serve this wonderful dish. I'm going to put some in a serving dish right here and let you see what it look like. And man, that looks delicious. Look at that. Don't that look good? That looks delicious. I'm going to get a fork and let you see what it tastes like. Let me put this down. That's quick and easy. And you will be surprised. You can add anything you want to this. It's not mushy. It's flaky. It's delicious. It's wonderful. You will love this dish. And you did it on the stove top. My goodness. And the Parmesan cheese make that Parmesan cheese make it taste good. This is what I'm going to tell you. Happy eating. And thank you for coming to my channel. And get this recipe out for soulfoodqueen.net. And you will enjoy some of the things I have done and put on their website. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Look how it's getting cheesy there. Look at that. I'm talking about cheesy and delicious. Look at that. This thing will tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel.